This video introduces the robot and the load setting. First, click Initial. Click Base. Click Payload and choose End Payload. Select Load 1. Enter the actual weight of the end tool. Input the calculated centroid coordinates. Click OK, and the terminal load setting is successful. Select Load 2. Click to edit. The load name can be renamed. Set it to test load and click Set. The renaming of the load is successful. Enter the corresponding load weight and center of mass. Click to clear the load. Load weight and center of mass is cleared. Find the multi-axis linkage interface. Adjust the robot to the vertical position. Switch to automatic mode. Click Determine. Click Record Initial Position. Click Empty Load Identification. Wait for the robot to complete. Click for load identification. Click Run. Wait for the robot to complete. After turning to stopped state, click Obtain Identification Results. The automatic load identification is successful. The above is all about the end load. Thank you.